Are you tired of wet towels when you get out of the shower? Or maybe you don't have a place to dry your towels and don't want to renovate or drill a wall to install a radiator. We have a solution for that. Discover Mobilo Electro, an electric clothes dryer, mobile and effective. It looks good, doesn't it? But that's not all. Let's see what it can do. After bathing, wet towels can be hung on the Mobilo dryer. Plugged into the mains, it dries towels 3 times faster. Economical, right? Can you guess why the rails don't heat? According to the laws of physics, heat rises. We've done tests with heated rails, and the heated base is better. It dries cheaper and more efficiently. Because why heat the rails if it doesn't help? Mobilo has 3 operating modes to choose from. Boost for express drying, Eco for energy saving, and a timer that will turn the dryer off after a specified time. The perfect solution to use the dryer when you need it. Light and mobile, you can take it anywhere you want. Want to take it outside on warm days? Go ahead. Mobilo Electro is ready for action. Safety first. Mobilo Electro is ideal for bathrooms and other humid rooms. It is tight, which is confirmed by the IP44 certificate with the first protection class. The stable construction and non-slip feet ensure that Mobilo Electro remains in place, even when children and animals run around. Mobilo Electro works well in every situation. In a bathroom without radiators, in a summer house, in houses with photovoltaics, heat pumps, or underfloor heating. No need to renovate or drill walls. And most importantly, timeless design with a geometric accent. Available in white with a white detachable cable or black with a black cable. Mobilo Electro is safe, functional, and energy efficient. Enjoy the comfort of dry towels every day.